Hey, what's up everyone, this is Invest for More and welcome to my channel. This is a quick video about Casper Labs because we as a community we have to help the project. So today they need some help from us. But before starting, make sure you subscribe to my channel, you watch my last videos about Casper. The most important video you can watch, it's a Casper Labs new blockchain, the new Ethereum. Okay, this is the most viewed video about Casper Labs. The last one in the last video I talked about how and when Casper Lab can reach $1. How fast can it take? Okay, so you can watch those videos, and let's jump into the quick update. So to help Casper Labs right now, you have to go to their Telegram group. I'm gonna link their Telegram group in the description. Okay, so check it out. Go to the pinned post right here, as you can see over here, pinned post, and here we have a link to vote Casper Labs for Startup of the Year representing Zug, Switzerland. Okay, click on this link, and here we have the first one, which is Fire. Whoa, I think it's the most voted project right here. We have what else we have? Any good project? Lisk, I heard about them, I don't know anything about it. It's a blockchain application platform based in Zug. What? But here we have Casper Labs. It's on fire right now. It's on fire, guys, trust me. Casper Labs is gonna be huge. Casper Labs, it's building the first probably live pure proof of stake CBC Casper, a blockchain designed for real world applications. Okay, all you have to do right here, you have the button, press on the button and your vote has been cast. Want to get more votes in? Share this city. Okay, so I'm gonna post this link in the description. Make sure you vote Casper Labs, not something else. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching again. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are a strong believer in Casper Labs, guys. Trust me, you can buy as much as you can right now because really good price. Look at this. Wow, man. So up and then down, which means accumulations. Okay, accumulation. I'm gonna buy more. Yesterday I bought more, today I'm gonna buy more. Oh, okay, so again, thank you for watching. See you in another video. Bye.